Good day everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your location. So in this training, I'm going to be teaching you what affiliate marketing means and how you can start this business from scratch and make your first 100 to 200k in few weeks and make your first 1 million naira in few months. My name is Godwin Sunday. I am an internet marketer and a content creator, and let's head over to the business class now. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? What exactly is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is just like every other business, and for every business to occur, there must be a process of buying and selling in exchange of value. So for example, if you come to my shop to buy a car and I give you the car and you give me your money, at the end, both of us are happy, right? So yes, that's how business works. You give me your money, I give you my car, and at the end of the day, we are both going to be happy. So in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a simple process of recommending helpful products or service to people and getting paid a commission from them whenever you make a successful sale. So now, we practice affiliate marketing every day, but you don't know because you are not actually being paid for it. Have you ever recommended a product to a friend? Or as a lady, have you ever recommended your friend to a barbing salon that you make your hair and they make your hair look so beautiful? What you are actually been doing is called affiliate marketing, but the difference is that you are not getting paid for it. So as an affiliate, what kind of products do you actually sell? Okay, there are two types of products, which is the physical products and the digital products. These products have been created by top experts. Your job is to link buyers to the products using your unique affiliate link. So basically, affiliate marketing involves selling other people's products and getting paid a commission. What that means is, as an affiliate, you don't need to create or own a product to start. But in this business class, I'm going to be talking about digital products. So digital products are high-value knowledge-based products created in the internet or in a package form. It can come as a PDF, as an audio book, as a book itself, or in a video form. So now, how does one start this business? There are 4 steps to affiliate marketing. Step number 1, you will pick an affiliate network. Step number 2, you pick an affiliate product. Step number 3, you copy your affiliate link. And step number 4, you start selling. I will explain everything now. So now, you need to pick a network. You need to pick where exactly you belong. Okay? So this class, I'll be using StayCut because you can get so many products you can promote on StayCut and earn up to 50 to 80% as a reward for your affiliate sale. So now, you need to pick a product to sell. When you register on StayCut, you will have access to lots of products that you can sell. The next step is to pick a product you want to sell. In order to make such money faster, you have to pick a hot product. This makes the work easier for you and gives you a lot of commissions in return. So when I say hot products are products that are high in demand by people. On StayCut, there are lots of products one can sell and earn good commissions selling them. So you just need to pick a product. So now, the next step is to copy your affiliate link, because when you make sales, your sales are being tracked with your affiliate link. Affiliate links are just unique links that are used for you to make your sale or for you to make a purchase, okay? Now, the next step is for you to start selling. There are so many ways to sell these products. Anywhere there is audience, there is someone that is interested in your product. So you can sell these products with Facebook and Instagram ads, with email marketing, and with WhatsApp. So here are a few payments that I've been able to receive from this same business. So as you can see, I'm not just talking, I'm also showing you proof that this business is actually working and it will definitely work for you. So now, this is a warning, okay? This business is not for lazy people. If you are lazy, you are not welcome here. This business is not for Ponzi people. This is not a Ponzi kind of business. If you like Ponzi business, you are not welcome here. And this business is not for investment people. If you are that one person that always wants to put 10,000 naira in a business and expect 1 million naira in 2 weeks, this business is not for you. And this business is not for quick scheme kind of people. If you always believe you will just put money in a place and expect to see millions of naira in 2 weeks, this business is not for you. If you belong to this category of people, please, you can just sign up, you can just leave, okay? Just kindly just leave. So now, how can one get started immediately? There are 2 ways of registering, which is the 20k package. If that's your budget, you can go for it. And you can also go for the AMAP sales machine course, which is just 30,000 naira at the time of recording this video. The price may increase soon, but for now the price is just 30,000 naira. Here are what you'll be learning in the AMAP sales machine course. You'll be learning the 7-figure mindset to successfully build a profitable business that will make you steady income every week. You will also be learning the step-by-step framework to make your first sale in less than 21 days. We already have lead magnets that we can give away to you to increase your sales in your affiliate marketing business. You will also be learning how to write content to make your sales. You will also be learning how to position yourself to get people to buy your product. You will also be learning how to drive customers to your affiliate product. You will also be learning how to pick a hot product that will give you lots of sales. You will also be learning the secret objection of handling sales, how you can handle the sales. You will get to learn this. You will also be learning how clients can easily give you their money without you even stressing yourself for it. You will also be learning how to convert your WhatsApp to a cash machine. I mean, we can help you monetize your WhatsApp. You will also be learning web designing and how you can create a landing page with your smartphone. You will also be learning graphic design. You will also be learning the most easiest funnel to convert prospects to buyers in less than 14 days. You will also be learning how to start blogging with your smartphone. And now, for becoming a member, you will also get access to the AMAP support group. What this means is that in case you have any issue or you have any problem, you can go to the group channel and make your complaint. If you are to be learning Facebook and Instagram ads, content writing, graphic design, blogging and all that in different places, they can actually charge you nothing less than $381, which is 180,000 naira, but you are just paying only 30k until the price increases. The price for now is just 30k. So here are what you need to get started. You need your smartphone, you need your internet connection, and you need your 30,000 naira to purchase the AMAP sales machine course. So for joining the community, I have a sweet bonus for you. So when you get this course, I'll be granting you access to my mentorship group, where I share strategies on how you can make money online with my students and how they are also showing positive results every week. I will grant you free access. When you get started immediately, I will also share with you with hot products that I also share with my previous students that makes them earn lots of money from the internet. I will also share this same product with you. So, oh yes, you will also be getting access to my previous course, my previous classes that I have had with my students. I have a recorded videos of everything. You are also getting access to it. Alright, these are frequently questions that are always being asked by clients. So the first one is Takeout affiliate marketing a referral base? No, you are not referring any product, you are only promoting a product. The second question is, what if I'm not a social media person? It doesn't matter. I have so many students like that, but now they are used to everything, so you will get used to it. The third one is, do I need a laptop? No. The next one is, can I register for free and pay back after making money? The answer to that is no. I'm using my time, my energy, my everything. I'm just trying to exchange ideas with you to give you knowledge of how you can start making money. So you need to just register. Your registration is just one-time payment. So here is the payment method for you to get started in the course. You can either register from the website or you message me on WhatsApp so we can get started immediately. So guys, we have come to the end of the class. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for giving me your attention. I hope you learned something new today. I hope you understand everything about affiliate marketing and how you can also start making money online. If you have any question, please kindly text me on WhatsApp so we can get started immediately. Don't forget to like this video, to comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video about marketing strategies on how you can make money online. Thank you so much. I remain Godwin Sunday, and I will see you next time.